Hello, this video is to show the feature of lesson plans and how they can be accessed by both students and parents. So the view we're looking at the moment is a student view of Simon, which is the default view which opens as soon as a student logs into their computer. On the right hand side here I can see the timetable, and on the timetable I can see this purple box. This purple box indicates that a lesson plan has been created and is available for these subjects. To access the lesson plan for a student, you click on the purple box, and if it doesn't open immediately, you click on the lesson plan. And herein lies the lesson plan. As we scroll down, we can look at the learning intentions, the success criteria, the instructions for the student, and any associated resources. I can see here that a YouTube link has been embedded in this resource, which I can click within the browser to view. Once the student has read and completed parts of their lesson, they can then go and have a look at the checkpoints. It is a requirement that the boys tick off the checkpoints for every lesson for every day. They can do that in the morning, but they will need to do that at least before the class has finished on a given day. So for example, in this one, you can see I have read the introductory material. They tick that checkbox off, and that has now indicated to the teacher that they have finished that task. So once they have completed all the tasks which have been asked to be completed, they tick the boxes. They can click on the close button. At this point, they can go back to the home page, and from the home page, select the next lesson plan. It is a requirement that all boys check the lesson plans for all lessons that they have every day, at least once a day, and check off any checkpoints which have been included. Now, from a parent perspective, I've logged on to Pam, which is the same as logging into Simon Everywhere. What I can actually see from the home page is this particular boy has got 5 active lesson plans. I'm just going to go into him, and then I'm going to go down to lesson plans. Now I can see which subjects have active lesson plans. I'm going to open this up. I'm going to have a look at one of the lesson plans by clicking on it. So here I can see this boy, in this case it would have been my son, has ticked off these 2 checkpoints. I can look at the learning intentions, the success criteria, the instructions for the lesson, and I can view any associated worksheets or downloads or videos and resources. So that is it. So just to reiterate, boys are expected every day to check the lesson plans on their timetable and ensure that they have ticked off any checkpoints which are related to that lesson plan.